Good morning. Trying to be more active here on my channel. Today we're gonna go to the PO box because I have a few sponsored posts to do this week, and we'll probably go have some lunch and then come back here. So let's do that. In a minute, we're gonna do some sponsored posts for Instagram this week. On this next clip, it just shows me going out to the Santa Monica Pier for lunch. I ended up waking up super early. My phone crashed last night. I had to go to the iPhone store down there in Santa Monica. So afterwards, I had lunch at this nice little restaurant. And it was just a disaster. I lost photos and videos from my iPhone, so they had to literally restart the whole thing. That's when I started realizing it's time to start vlogging with a vlog camera. So I have to purchase a vlog camera pretty soon and stop doing everything off my iPhone 8 Plus. An editor on my phone. I've been doing it the lazy way, so now it's time to really sit down and do my YouTube videos correctly. I love finding new Instagram boutiques and pink stores and all those little restaurant things out here in LA. If you live in LA, you know what I'm talking about. I found this pink store. It's called the Pink Glam Box. So in this next clip, I was in the Pink Glam Box. Love this store. I was doing a swatch on all these eyeshadows. Ended up purchasing this one, and I love it. Also bought this little makeup brush thing as well. I was so excited. Cannot wait to try these out. Now I am heading home. City life. Sometimes I miss the country. Today is unpacking and trying to put the bed and this TV thing, stand thing, I don't know what you want to call it, together. That's what the focus is. What I'm working on for today for this apartment. So if you guys enjoyed the video, stay tuned. But before we go, I need to make a Subway run because I need to eat before I start doing all this, because I'm gonna be doing this all day, literally. Subway to get a sandwich or something. Sorry this video is all over the place. This next clip is me showing you the packages I got from the post office because the original footage got deleted. So I'm showing you after I got home unboxing my sponsored post for Instagram. This is not for YouTube. It's not a sponsored video. I just wanted to show you these glasses that I received from this company. This is not sponsored on YouTube. So I'm actually going out to an event this week, and this is the outfit I wanted to show you that I bought for it. Isn't this cute little swimsuit from Hollister and the jean jacket? I got this white jean jacket from Hollister. I can't hold the phone and grab it at the same time. So I thought I'd mention that I'm in the competition to be the next Maxim Magazine cover girl. And if you want to vote for me, you can vote for me at Jwang's Inspirations on my Instagram account. So this next video is about the podcast series Halo Light Pro 10-inch LED ring light. I needed a beauty ring light to do my beauty videos and wanted to share a review for you. Excited. So this is everything that comes in it. This is not sponsored. I purchased this with my own money. I've been looking for a beauty ring light for the longest time to make my makeup and beauty routines with. So here we are. We're going to test it out. It comes with a little microphone, the stand. So basically just twist it on right here. Wow, that is really cool. Oh my gosh, they're killing me with this. That's a little baby. Look at the microphone. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. So all this is USB operated. So we're gonna see how this works. And where's the bright? And that's like the blue white. Wow, that's pretty. Can you see how it just turned like a blue color? So the brightest tone, like a yellow white. No, that's the white bright, and then cool warm tone. This is what the settings looks like. So that's the end of the review. I definitely recommend the Halo Light Pro. I couldn't figure out how to connect the microphone, so I didn't. What's up? So today I'm doing a workout session on this new app that I got for 6 months. They have meals, they have workout routines, so you can meal prep and you get different workouts. For 6 months, I paid $20. This is not sponsored. I just wanted to share it with you. The app is called Fitonomy. So that's what we're about to do today. We're about to get our workout on. So we're going to go into the app here so I can show you a little bit about what it does. It's called Fitonomy, and this is what the inside of the dashboard looks like. Right now we're on Tone Your Body. And we're going to be able to set the difficulty if you want it easy or hard. And then you can see all the routines here. They have jumping jacks, pile, dumbbell, squat, and lateral raise, iron, cross. There's so many options here to choose when it comes to the exercising. So I also just wanted to mention that they have daily challenges on here that you can follow along with. You can also pick your own music to listen to while doing the routines, which is very cool. I found this online and I joined, and I just thought it was the best deal ever. Hope you guys enjoyed that little clip, and I'm gonna get my workout on, so I will see you later. I'm really learning YouTube, so I'm just stating here how hard it's been because I've been using my iPhone to film, so now it's time to get a vlog camera. And I've had a video I had to take down because I had some music playing, so I had a copyright claim, and I got locked out of my YouTube, but I'm back on here now. I've just been going through a lot. Sorry if this video was kind of all over the place. I was just like posting different things here and there. Like I would film myself different days throughout the whole week, so that video was like in a week's time, like different days, different things throughout the day that I was doing. So I'm gonna get better here. I'm learning YouTube still, you know. I gotta get a vlog camera now since I had my crash incident with my iPhone 8 Plus. I have way too much stuff going on in the phone, so it just said fuck you and crashed. So it's time for a vlog camera. Anyhow, thanks for watching my video and supporting me, and for the fans and the friends and family who voted for me onto the next level of the Maxim Magazine competition. I'm on round 2 now. So don't forget to vote if you want to. You can go to my Instagram account at Ajwang's Inspiration. The link is in the bio. I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment this YouTube channel.